Hey guys, Mr. Haque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the P7095 oil filter BOSCH. As you can see, I've done the other one in the last video. Okay, so this one is for my car, I think, because it's lighter. If you don't know, I'm doing a oil change for my dad's car and my car, the Golf and the Insignia. So this one being smaller usually is probably for the Golf. Okay, so let's have a look inside. And if you've not watched my last video, then I'll tell you. Basically, when you do oil change, you need to change the filter with it at the same time, because the oil filter will have all the dirt in from the last oil, all the shavings and stuff, metal shavings. God damn it, this box is annoying. There you go. That was very difficult to get out. There you go. Okay. This one's actually more different than the... so that's the Insignia one. I wasn't expecting that, because I know what the Volkswagen one looks like. So that's the Insignia oil filter, and the one in my last video is the... But the one in my last video is the Volkswagen one, and this is the Vauxhall one. Because I know the Volkswagen one looks different, looks like that. So yeah, so this is the Vauxhall one, which is very weird. It actually looks like a air filter, but it's a thingy. That is an air filter, isn't it? How can that be an oil filter? I have no idea, guys. Maybe it is. Vauxhall do shit differently, I guess. Yeah, and you get this bigger rubber thing anyway. I don't think that's right, is it? God knows. Anyways, guys, I'll figure out what's going on and find out. Anyways, see you guys next time. Goodbye.